Hi all, welcome to the channel. So today I'm gonna change T450 keyboard. This is the keyboard I want to change. So it's very easy. Just close the lid. So can you see one screw is here. That's the keyboard. Just open that one. Let her open this back closed cover. Just like that, you need to open all 1, 2, 3. Once you opened, just open that plastic cover. Then you can see one more screw here. Just unscrew that one. Yeah, it's done. Once it's done, yeah, open the laptop. I'm using a sharp knife. I recommended some kind of plastic for something in plastic with enough strength to open this one. Then we can avoid the damages on the plastic panel. Like that, we just need to pull towards this direction. This direction we need to pull. Okay, now we can see it's opened. Just grab this to our side like this. Done. Open. Here now the keyboard is connected to the board. Just opening this glossed plastic. Under that you can see that keyboard backlight connection. Just remove that also. Done. So then get your new keyboard. The same way you need to connect. First you need to connect the backlight connection. There is a small groove is there. I'm not sure that you can see that one. There is a small groove is there. This groove need to connect it to that slot correctly, otherwise it won't work. So careful about that. And about the safety things, you should be very careful. Yeah, done. Now that groove is on correct slot, just close this one. I connect the backlight and keyboard also. This part you need to insert first to inside. Where is a small gap is there. In that gap you need to push this keyboard inside that and press this down and grab. You can see some kind of extra things are here that's going to inside this touch panel. So it's getting closed. Yeah, now it's fine. It's closed. And don't forget to screw this one and this one. This is going to hold your keyboard to the laptop. Okay, so don't forget to screw this one and just close. After the screwing, just close the plastic cover. Done.